everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something special for you and I'm so excited. Let's unbox and see what Temu got for us. So first things first, I needed a bubble tea to start off that huge packaging I got from Temu. I've been waiting for this packaging to arrive the whole week, so let's dive right in. So first we have this pretty pumpkin cup. It comes in this really pretty beige, neutral, cream tone and it's so perfect, guys. I can already imagine myself sitting on the couch, drinking a hot coffee or cacao out of this and enjoy a peaceful evening. So let's see what's next. Oh, it's the pretty glass bowl. I'm really excited for this one because I need it for all my fruits. And I think I already love it. So the next thing is a blanket. I think it's perfect for a picnic outside and I guess I will use it really soon. Then I ordered those cute little glass bowls. Oh, I can already imagine making some chia pudding or yogurt or something for breakfast, I guess. So the next package is a little bit larger. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Oh, it's a simmer pot. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love doing a simmer pot in fall. Then I got this little box and something for picnic also. Okay, next we have this cute little box and I'm so curious to see what's inside. Oh, it's that pretty glass. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I really wanted it for so long. Next up, I couldn't resist and ordered this cute little pumpkin and some flowers for fall. These guys are too cute. I couldn't help. So let's see what's next. Oh, it's a little can for coffee making. I love it. It's perfect for espresso if you want to cool it a little bit down and then make your coffee latte or cappuccino perfect. And then I got some ice cubes in heart shape. Next I have a bigger package, but it feels really lightweighted. So I guess it's glass again. Yup, it's a little can. Oh, I love this one. It's perfect for milk. And then we have this little cute glass with a smiley face. Oh my god, I love it. I can't wait to drink from it in the morning. How could the day start better with lemon water out of this glass? I don't know, guys. It's perfect. And then I got some white flowers. They are an evergreen and I think I need them for my bedroom. So the next thing is a little bit bigger and it's a flower vase. I think it's perfect for a clean look and really aesthetic. Oh, I love it. Temu really nailed it with this one. It's a cute little glass cup for your morning coffee. It says good morning and yeah, I love it. And the next thing is perfect for a picnic. It holds your glasses of wine and you can put some cheese, nuts and everything you need on it. It's perfect for a pre-fall picnic day. Maybe I'm gonna have a picnic this Sunday. Let's see. I'm really pleased with how this order turned out. Look at all those cute fall stuff I ordered. perfect. I can't wait to try it, to decorate with it. I'm in love. Especially now that it's almost September, almost fall. I love to see all those cute little fall vibe pieces, and I already can imagine how I decorate with them.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
So that's it for today. I hope you liked my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, of course. See you next time, guys, and have a nice week.